Hey, what's up? It's Faisal here and welcome back to Driving Site. And if you're watching this video, you're probably learning how to deal with junctions. In the last video, I have given you a video about how to approach a junction coming from a major road going into a minor road, turning left and right. And in this video, we're going to be looking at how to emerge at a junction coming from a minor road joining a major road. So the likes of T-Junctions, and we're going to be following the MSPSL routine. You will be given the briefing by your driving instructor in full, and I'm just going to practically show you how to emerge using the MSPSL joining a major road, turning left and turning right. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, and I hope you get some value out of this at the end of this video. So now let's go into the drive. Okay, so I'm approaching a T-junction now, okay, and I'm going to be turning left. So the first thing I really need to do is find out what's happening behind me. So check the interior mirror and then the left-hand mirror and follow by your signal. Now the signal you want to give is not too early, not too late, about 6 to 8 car lengths before the actual junction. Position here, we're going to be in the middle of the road, but I'm going to adjust as I get to the junction. So now what you want to do is steer a little bit towards the left. Just follow the curb, and you want to stop and have a look and see if it's clear to go, because this is a very close junction. So we're going to take it very nice and slowly, okay, and make sure there's nothing coming from either way. Once you have joined the major road, then you check your interior mirror just to make sure that nobody is overtaking you, because that can happen quite often. You'll find people coming out and start to overtake you. Okay, so I'm approaching another T-junction, and at the end of the road I'm going to be turning left. So the first thing I really need to do again here is check the interior mirror, followed by the left-hand mirror, and start to slow down. And I'm going to just go past this road here and then indicate left. Just make sure you're not confusing anybody with your signal, and get your car positioning to your side of the road. And just as you get to the giveaway line, just angle it towards the left and roll to the giveaway line, and then start to look both sides of the road. Now this is again a good junction that I can see both sides, it's clear, and I will join and steer towards the left here. Straighten up your wheels and then check your interior mirror, and you can also check the right hand mirror just to make sure that nobody is overtaking you. Right, so I've got one more right turn coming up. At the end of this road I'm going to be turning right, so I need to start with the interior mirror and then right hand exterior mirror, signal right, and just slow down, because again it's a narrow road. I'm going to stay in the middle until I get to the end, and slow down, bring your car back towards your side of the road, and just keep left of the center line. Slow it right down, because it's a giveaway line. I have to give way. Now giveaway line means give way to the traffic, but if it is clear you may go, unlike the stop line. Okay, if you do come to a end of the road and you go a stop sign, then you need to come to a fully stop, and then even if it's clear, you come to a full stop, and then you can go when it's clear. Now this is a very difficult junction here with lots of parked cars, so I'm gonna just slowly edge forward. There's another car coming, so there you go, just roll out slowly, nice and slowly. If it's difficult, you can see the windows of these parked cars, and sometimes you might even want to see a reflection as well. So just make sure you're not slowing down anybody before you pull out. Check your interior mirror, right and exterior mirror, and then you can speed up to an appropriate speed of the road. Okay, so I'm coming to the end of the road and I'm going to turn right again. So the first thing I'm going to do is check the interior mirror to understand what's happening behind. It looks okay, there's one car just pulling out, and then check my right hand mirror and then signal right. Slow right down and then start thinking about your position. Bring your car towards your side of the road, just keep left of the center line, and slowly approach the giveaway line. Look for any pedestrians. If there's no pedestrians, then you can start looking for the traffic. The left hand side looks quite good, and it's the right hand side is a parked car there, and it's very difficult for me to see, so I'm just going to take it nice and slowly and edge out, steer towards the right, get into the middle of the road, and then straighten up your wheels. Once your wheels are straightened up, just check your interior mirror, right hand mirror before you speed up again. So always follow the MSPSL. It's very important you continue doing that, and that's the safest way of joining at junctions, dealing with the junctions, MSPSL routine. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please do like and share and comment down below. What stage are you on? Are you dealing with junctions, or you've passed that stage? Do comment down below, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos so you don't miss out on the future content. Use the road safely. Until next time, bye for now.